yesterday, a taxpayer who is a serious activist instructed us to file a petition before the Constitutional Court, which we filed, and the same petition has been actioned to Justice Murima. We are waiting directions. The gist of the petition is that the petitioner is aggrieved with the decision of the Director of Public Prosecution, one Mr. Nurdin Haji, who has invited members, senior editors of all the media houses for a Mombasa retreat starting on the 18th going forward. In the petition, the petitioner is questioning who is going to fund that retreat. Two, the petitioner is challenging the taxpayers' money are going to be used in hotels to address editors, not even court reporters. It is the court reporters who report matters in court. Remember, the petitioner is questioning if one Nurdin Haji got a gag order to gag the media, not to cover the story, what business does he have to go back and call again the editors through the Media Council to go and address them? Remember, we have challenged the questions of the 5 petitions, the 2 petitions where the gag orders are, and we are definite that the courts are going to vacate those gag orders. So one, Mr. Nurdin has decided to get the editors of every media house, bribe them using the taxpayers' money, so that once the court removes the gag order, whatever transpires in court cannot be put to the public, for the public to put scrutiny to him. The petition has enjoined the speakers of both Parliament, the National Assembly, and the Senate. It is the National Assembly that allocates resources to the DPP's office. The petitioner has also enjoined the controller of budget, the Auditor General, so that it is investigated how these state funds are being utilized. This petitioner is questioning the role of the prosecutor is in court. The role of the DPP is to argue and defend matters in court. The role of the prosecutor, the DPP, is not to attend seminars and workshops in hotels to sensitize the public on what he does not do. He's never been in any court. He's never argued even one matter. We have filed 5 other petitions in the Public Service Commission. Instead of responding to the Public Service Commission, he is now calling media, the editors, to 5-star hotels to bribe them so that he gets a gag order through the editors, and he also gets the way he got a gag order through the court process. The Director of Public Prosecution is a public prosecutor. Practices supposed to appear in court. He has never appeared in court. So we believe that this attempt to take the editors in Mombasa is a way to sanitize and fumigate the petitions that have been put so that they die. We have a stillbirth of the petitions that have been filed. We, as I said, are intending to proceed so long as we get petitioners coming to us. We will continue filing the petitions, and we will be telling the public the situation as it is. We are expecting the judge to give directions wing have asked that he stops, the judge stops on the interim that function, because that is misuse of public resources. The same Nuruddin Haji has been charging governors for misuse of public resources. The same Nuruddin Haji has been charging members of parliament for utilizing a budget on items that were not available. Was there an itemized budget in the DPP budget to put editors in Mombasa? Why Mombasa? Why not in a public institution? The government policy is very clear. If you want to hold a meeting, you go to a public school, you hire a university hall, you go to public institutions. Who is going to meet this cost of entertaining editors in 5-star hotels in Mombasa? So that is the position, and we are waiting for the directions of the judge. Rumor that he has invited advocates and other actors instead of bringing hardcore prosecutors, solid prosecutors. But you know, he has already transferred them, deployed them to the ministries where they are not doing prosecutorial job. It is a very secretive meeting that the DPP is organizing. He doesn't want anybody to know. Our client got wind of it, and that is why we have rushed to court to stop misuse of public resources.